Okay, let's work a couple of word problems. While he is at work, Jackson receives 4 emails per hour. 4 per hour from an automatic monitoring service. If he works 8 hours every day, how many emails will he receive in 6 days? All right. If he gets 4 every hour, okay, and he works 8 hours each day, 8 hours each day, okay, that means that we're going to take 4 and multiply it times 8 to see how many he gets in one whole day. 4 times 8 equals 32 in one day. Okay, but this asked how many in 6 days. 32 times 6 is 192. The answer is D. Okay. Number 8, an office assistant can type 65 words, WPM, words per minute, if he spends 3 hours a day, 3 hours each day, typing. How many will he type in 5 days? Well, this is a lot of words he's going to be typing, so it's going to be a great big number. Okay, 65 words per minute. Okay, so how many can he type in a whole hour? All right, how many are in an hour? 60. We're going to multiply by 60 to get how many he can do in 1 hour. That's 65 times 60 equals 3,900. 3,900, and that's words per hour. Okay. And then to find out how many he does in a day, he's typing for 3 hours a day. So we're going to take 3,900 and we're going to multiply by 3 hours in the day. That gives us 11,700 each day. But now he's going to do this for 5 days. So we're going to take 11,700 and multiply by 5 days. That gives me 58,500 words over the course of 5 days. The answer is A. All right, number 18. Anytime you hear something, this one doesn't say it, but you may see something called a flat fee. A flat fee just means it's not really dependent on anything else. It's just you're going to be charged that fee no matter what. Number 18, the monthly cost of a cell phone plan is $35. That's the flat fee. It doesn't call it that here, but he's going to have to pay $35 no matter what. Plus 3 cents. Well, this is how we're going to enter 3 cents in the calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and write it like that. For every minute after 500 minutes have been used. In dollars, what will Javonte's bill be if he uses 800 minutes in 1 month? Okay, so how many minutes is he actually going to get charged for? Once he goes over 500, he starts getting charged as 3 cents, and that means he's gone over about 300 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to do 300 minutes times 0.03. That gives me $9. He gets charged for that. And this wants to know his total bill. How much is his total bill going to be? $35 plus $9 equals $44. The answer here is B, $44. Okay. Now we have 2 more questions down here, and I believe that you will be asked something like one of these. I keep seeing them over and over in the book. Now, when I go to solve these questions, I usually make little notes, kind of like I did for these word problems. So since Josh and Terry don't begin with the same letter, I'm trying to save time here. I'm not going to write out their whole entire name. So I'm going to write a J for Josh and a T for Terry. They both collect coins. They sound like cool guys. Together, they have a total of 46 coins. This is the total between the 2 of them. Josh has 12 more coins than Terry. Okay, so Josh, I'm just going to put plus 12 right here by his name because he has 12 more. Okay, then from that total, though, I have to find out how many are left. Okay, so 46 minus 12, 34 coins left. All right, now somehow I have to divide 34 coins evenly between this guy and this guy. How do I do that? I'm going to divide 34 by 2. 34 divided by 2. Don't be embarrassed to put that in your calculator. I'm going to. The answer is 17. Okay, so I'm going to give 17 coins down here to Terry, and I'm going to give 17 coins here to Josh. All right, how many coins does Josh have in his collection? Well, he has 17 plus he has 12 more. All right, 17 plus 12 is 29 coins. All right, if you want to check your math, you can go back and make sure that 29 plus the 17 here equals 46, and it does. All right, this next one is just a little bit more complicated, but we can do it, okay? Khalid is 56 years old, okay? I'm just going to use K for him, okay? He is, which means equals, 56. We know his age. Kathleen, we're just going to use a C for this. And who else do we have? Oh, we have Brody, C and B, okay? Kathleen is 6 years older than Brody. How am I going to write that? You can do what you want, but for me it makes sense to say Brody plus 6. That's how old she is. The sum, which means add, the sum of Kathleen plus Brody's age is means equals half of Khalid's age. How old is that? 56. Okay, 1/2 times 56. Let's do this real quick. Let me do my math over here. 56, half of that is 28. These two together, Colleen plus Brody, is 28. Okay, but we know that this kind of goes back to this one we did before, okay, because it's telling us Colleen is 6 years older than Brody. So let's subtract the 6 years here that belong to Colleen. 28 minus 6. Okay, that's 22 years. Okay, and now we have to take that and divide it again evenly, okay, between both Colleen and Brody. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So Brody is going to be 11. Colleen is going to be 11 plus 6, which is 17. And Khalid, he's the older guy, he's 56. All right, what is this question? How old is, oh, Kathleen, I called her the wrong name. She is 17. The answer is D.